Uh, this video I'll speak about the forex and about the how the forex market work, and also I'll speak about what is this all candles and charts and how this forex market technical analysis works and technical analysis how to learn these things. About the forex, I have spoken my previous videos that it is an international trade, you can say, because it's involved in different countries' currencies. The core currency is pound, dollar, euro, Japanese yen, and Swiss franc. And other countries' currencies like South African currency, Australian currency, New Zealand currency, Indian currency, or many other countries. And those currencies we call exotic currency. So there is a two types of currency. One is called uh, core currency, and another is exotic currency. The core currency, the pound versus dollar, or dollar versus pound, or pound versus euro, dollar versus euro, or euro versus pound, or euro versus dollar, or euro versus Japanese yen. It is not that much overnight fluctuate or volatile. So again, I am saying that the core currencies, the transactions, very it's volatile. It's ups and down. It can be up and it can be down. But the most important that these currencies is stability until something happen. It not go suddenly up or suddenly down. It is steady and it has a certainty. But about the exotic currency, it is can be happen anything, and it is very much up and very much down, very much up and very much down, and that's why we call the exotic currency. Now, about two types of people involved in the trading. The one is institutional investor. Institutional investor like banks or investment company or hedge fund, private equity or assessment company, or the mutual fund or government's pension fund, like those things. They are one kind of institutional investor. And secondly, the investor like private peoples, individuals like me or anybody, they can do the trade over the internet. You can say this nowadays online. There is almost all brokers has MT4, MT5, and they connect or they registered or they open an account and they link the MT4, MT5 down the individual, and they can trade online. It is within a millisecond buy and sell, long and short, long and short, long and short. This kind of people we call the day trader, or the people who is taking the risks about the buying and selling and getting a pip to different buying price and selling price. There is a different these things, and that is they are doing. And another is some people buy or sell the pound, and they're waiting for a long period of time. They're waiting for maybe a few days or weeks or even months that their bid price or short price it will their favor. So they believe in that this is happening, and that is very important. Now, about the day trader all over the world, even some people from India or Philippines or China can open an international forex broker account, like some of the countries like Cyprus or some offshore countries, they open the account any foreign citizen. But about the some of the countries strict law like UK, it is very strict about to deal by foreign exchange by foreign citizens from overseas, or even in America, it is very strict of the law. So the people who are from India or from Bangladesh want to do foreign exchange trades, they have to account open some of the countries where their law is relatively bit lax, like Cyprus or some other countries, Bahama, Barbados, or the Monaco, or even some forex brokers in Switzerland or Singapore, Hong Kong, or other countries. So, if any foreign citizen work or want to trade from India or Bangladesh or another country, they have to check their country is it allowed for the trade online. Now, about the most important thing about before trading, the most important thing to know about the business, know about the trade, know about the risks, because in 86 to 90% people are losing in this business, losing the money in trade. So, about my disclaimer, I'm telling whatever I'm talking about here, I am not responsible anything. It is just for the academic purpose or training purpose. So my friend or whoever wanted to do the forex trading, be careful about these things. My disclaimer is very clear. Risk is yourself. You maybe lose more money than whatever your capital. So it is very risky business, and it is very risky trade, and very careful. Learn before you earn, or learn before you try. Know your trade, know your skill, and know your business, because many people they liquidate, or many brokers, or many even nowadays many broker or YouTuber like me, they persuade, they have a link with the few brokers, they directed the people and they get the commission, or they somebody link via my these things and go and register, so I will get a commission from that broker. So my friends, it is very careful about this thing. What I am talking about is I have no direct link with any brokers or traders, though I have know many brokers and traders, and especially I have a long time the trade or relationship with the IG index or active trade, and before it was Alperi or FXCM or City Index or CMC. They are the leadings, and in Cyprus there is about hundreds of the forex brokers. You can join with them, but this online registration. So this is very careful about this thing, but I will explain everybody, and I will try to be in future more videos about this. Some of the forex brokers, their details, their how they're working in their platform like MT4 or MT5, and how this thing for is doing this thing, how is all about the charting and all about the candles and all about the RSI and MACD and all about the channels and all about the Johnson channels and all about the candles work, how about the chart works, and how about the trend works. So this is a very technical things. I will speak more about the technical things. I'm not talking about the fundamental things. And I will also tell you, if you want to learn, in academic professional ways. There are some qualification like MTS, CMT, Chartered Market Technician, or STS, Society of Technical Analysis. They provide the courses and they provide the certificate. They are the most master of this industry. But many of the YouTuber or blogger or so-called foreign exchange trainer, they are saying that they will make you train in 3 months and make you a millionaire. Don't do that. They have a link with the brokers that they train you and they divert you and you open an account, and if you lose, still they get the money. If you win, still they get the money. One thing, remember, the brokers, they don't lose, because when you make a trade, they get the money. When you get the money, win, they get the money, and when you lose, still they get the money. It's like a casino. If the casino, somebody win the money, but the casino owner still get the money, and casino loser still get the money. So very careful about, my friends. So I'm talking about these things because of my years and years, almost about 25 years of my experience. So I'll speak about more in details, but please you subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me, like me, share me, and also tell your friend to more subscribe, because if you more subscribe, then YouTube will rank me, Google will rank me, and my YouTube video will going more popular. And also you will, whenever I make a new video, you will know how I'm making a video. So please you try to subscribe, share, like, my friend, and thank you very much. It is already 11 minutes 43 seconds. So I'm not going to making this video longer, because I'm making more video about the exactly what is the candlestick work, how the candlestick work. But one thing remember, I'm not like doing this thing like a whiteboard, making the chart and everything, and also in the, so what is called, in the computers, that all those showing the chart and all those things. It is no need. All you need, you can do yourself, but you have to be know about the motivations and how to do these things. Is like I am talking about like a podcast. So no need to looking for the screen, how the screen going up, and how it is not the real world is what. All I am talking about how they work, and you have to be need a lot of practice. Practice. You can do open an account with the broker, a demo account, and on that demo account you can do more practice and practice and practice and practice and practice, and then you open an actual account. So on demo account, like a simulating driving car, simulating driving car, simulating driving car. After a long time of driving, you will be familiar of the platform, and then you know how those things. Where is the position? Where is the stop loss? And where you have to be, how much you have to be profit, and how much if it is going your against, then how much you be lost. So everything has to be step by step. I will explain, but please, I try to subscribe my video. I know this is thing. Some people, some gurus, they make you a lot of chart and making you look like is a big rocket engineering sending in the moon. It is not. It is a very simple thing. And some showing, oh, I got a 1 million profit, and showing the accounts and everything. It may be false. It may be, how I can say, the scanning, or you may do the Photoshop and everything. I don't want to do that things. I just to explain about this simple thing. Why should I show my accounts is a 1 million profit or 200,000 profit? This is, you don't believe. All you do, your money, your trading, your everything. So be serious to learn, my friend. No need to be rocket engineering, and no need to be some gurus. Even I have seen that making you money. One guy, I'm not mentioning his name. I'm seeing he's almost last 50 years. Every day making advertisement. No place is left, no social media is left, and he used to even giving the advertisement in the TV. But nowadays, everywhere in the social media, and making that he will making you 3 months is more money than Warren Buffett. This is not the fact. This is not true. You have to be do your small money or whatever you have money, and it is your risk. If you lost, your money gone. It is not his. Even if he lost money, he will get this money because every broker get the money. If a client lose money, still the broker get the commissions. Also this is the things is very careful. It look like a your money you are playing the gambling. This is not these things. You do your money and you do your learning and you do your things. Thank you very much, my friend, and please subscribe and share and like, and I will make more videos simple way like a podcast, or I'm talking like this thing, not to make all this complex thing. Thank you very much, and thank you.